What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today we gotta go over Shiba Inu. I know you've all seen it today. Shiba Inu is literally up like 30 something percent right now. So we're gonna talk about some technicals about how far Shiba Inu can go with this bull pump. So definitely stick around to the end of the video and leave a comment inside of the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next, and definitely hit the like button and subscribe. And this video is brought to you today by, yes, the one and only Marsellis, the one, yes, marsellis.beatstars.com. If you need any background music for your YouTube videos, or if you just need beats for your music, boom, there you go. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Let's get straight to it. So let's talk some technicals with Sheeb. So the first thing I want to talk about here at Sheeb is having a hard time trying to get past this resistance right here. So right now we are stuck trying to stay above this 0 point, this 0 0 0 0 point. We're trying to keep 4 zeros here. We're not trying to add the fifth one on. We just now got it out of the ballpark, and now we're like literally still pumping. But right now it does look like Sheep's having a hard time getting past this resistance. So now we got to look at the reality of the situation. We are probably going to do a pullback to our next support level. Now look, we had some resistance back here around 5 zeros and a 998, which is 5Z998 if you just want to say that to leave it short. But around the 998 area, we had a little bit minor resistance, but it was so minor that I believe that we could probably go down lower if we don't continue to pump. So if we don't continue to pump, you could probably see Sheep coming down to this next support. We actually had some support here when we actually broke out initially. It was very minor. We hit this area for a very short period of time, and it was around the 915 area. So there's also minor support down here. I know there's a lot of minor support areas. This was like a minor resistance area for us. Now it's going to be a support for us. So this is at the 839 area. So that would be another area for Sheep. And then the next place, which is the more likely place, if this is a complete bull trap and we just got tricked, if a big if, right, then you're going to see this go all the way back down to this area here. So we're just saying if in this situation, which this is going to be at 5Z7, which is pretty much 5 zeros and then a 7 at the end. That's what you could see if all this is a bull trap. Now I want to explain a few other things here. You can see the last 24 hours we've been bullish by 80%. Now something really important that you want to look at here for Sheep is the oscillator here on the bottom. I know you see this on the bottom. So it's showing that yes, we had a bunch of buying, but look at how this buying is becoming less and less and less. And this is a bearish signal because now that the buying's starting to slow up, you're starting to see these red waves coming in. These red waves are selling waves. So what you're seeing is people selling Shiba Inu, which is showing an indication that one of these support lines is going to be met. I don't know which one it'll be, but one of these support lines will be met. So we'll just have to see which one they're going to be. There's about 4 support lines that we're really looking at. 5 if we're counting this one that's now our new resistance. But anyways, yeah, we got about 4 support lines to hit here with Shiba Inu. Now, if we were to become bullish, then we got some resistance they try to pass. We did get rejected all the way up here with Shiba Inu. That was at the 1166 area. We got rejected there. And then we have more resistance up here at the top at 1295. But you're probably wondering why I'm not focusing too much on the bullish trajectory of Shiba Inu. That is because this is just a short-term chart. This is the 15M chart. So if you want to know how is Shiba Inu going to be in the long term, so this is the 4-hour chart. So this will really show you the long-term projections here for Shiba Inu. So I want to show you these right now. So right here, we are at the top side of this area here. So this whole red area was supply and demand of less demand, indicating there's less demand for Shiba Inu. But you can see how it's now turned green. So now we have more demand in this area. So even if we pull back inside of Shiba Inu, we still have high demand in this area. So you're going to see Shiba Inu continuing to pump even if we pull back. So that's why I just wanted to mention these supports really quick, just to kind of get the bearish scenario out the way, show you what it would look like if Shiba Inu were bearish. But right now what we're seeing is if Shiba Inu were to become bullish, you would see Shiba Inu going all the way up here to these resistance areas. And that's going to bring you all the way up here to about the 1714 area. So that's cool, 4 zeros and then 1714. And then the higher area would be around here at the 2020 area. So that's where you can see Shiba Inu in the next resistance cycles here for Shiba Inu. Then you have some more resistance here. And if we were to pass those, then we would end up being stopped here. This one's very minor, so I'm not even focusing on it. But this one right here is also very minor. So you really want to look at this one right here. So after we get past the 20 area, the 2020 area, then you could see Shiba Inu almost immediately rising out to the 2824 area or the 2900 area, really. And then you got all the way up here at the 32. So yeah, there's a lot of resistance points to look at here for SHIB. And if this is not a bull trap, then we're definitely gonna know very soon, right? But anyways, I want to mention over here, previously when I did a technical, I did this and I showed you this descending triangle. And actually, right at the end of the descending triangle, we broke out and we went into a negative downturn. So after that negative downtrend, we've kind of met a really good support here for SHIB at 5Z7. So it doesn't seem like SHIB wants to go anywhere below that. And you can see the second we got anywhere close to that area is a really low point in SHIB. And for the people that have been around in SHIB for a while, like these levels are like the levels where no one wants to see SHIB right now. And really, we are overbought in this area. So we are primed for a pullback, maybe a little bit closer down to those levels, but stopping right here around the support at the 9 area. So you could see Shiba Inu doing a pullback before we have another pump. So that's pretty much all I want to show you for the technicals here. Anyway, Shiba Inu is up higher than any crypto in the crypto market right now. And right now it's at 31.7%. So it's up higher than literally everything. So if you go over here and look at all these cryptos, they're either moving sideways, they're going down, or just up just a little bit. So Shiba Inu to be up above all of them right now is crazy. And really, meme coins are really winning right now. Doge being up 10.3%, SHIB being up 10.7%. And I got to look it up right here. We got to look up Baby Doge because these are like the top meme coins and they're all doing fairly well. Baby Doge up a lot too, 9.8%. It was like 11% earlier. But yeah, this just comes to show like whenever we have these type of times like this where things are just unsure and uncertain, people are willing to put their money into a meme coin just to watch it go up, just to take it out. Because you got to think money is very scarce. We have all this inflation. Gas prices are to the moon, literally. So like people are seeing the opportunities inside these meme coins to run it up just really quick, sell it, and then use that money for whatever they need it for. So you're probably going to see this as a bull trap, and you'll probably see it getting stopped either now or we get stopped up here at this resistance that I just now drew all the way up here at that first one. But if it keeps going, I'll definitely be happy. But if it doesn't, I mean, it's no big deal because it's just another buying opportunity for the long-term holders. So all in all, I think it's good right now that we're having this pump, even if it's a bull trap. But yeah, anyways, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing is financial advice. We're also trending here on Twitter. So yeah, Shiba Inu is trending literally everywhere. And yeah, I'm really happy for this. I want to see Shiba Inu continuing to trend. But yeah, Shiba Inu going to the moon right now. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. And like I said, none of this is financial advice. Definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. And also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And also, this video is brought to you by Marsellis.beatstars.com. If you need background music for your YouTube videos, if you need music for your beats, beats for your music, really, and then you can use that, and boom, there you go. And as always, remember, not financial advice, none of it. I'm not a financial advisor. As always, I'll be back with another video.